ready to master trading without risking a dime. Let's dive into the power of TradingView's demo account right from your phone. First, if you haven't already, download the TradingView app from your device's app store. Once installed, open it up. You'll land on the main screen, usually showing popular charts. To access your demo account, tap on your profile icon. Typically in the top left corner, this will open up the main menu. In the menu, look for an option that says Paper Trading or Demo Account. Tap on that to select it. This is where the magic happens. You'll now see your virtual balance. This is the simulated capital you'll use to practice. If this is your first time, TradingView might automatically create a demo account for you, or you might need to tap a button to start a new one. Now, let's place a trade. Navigate to any chart you're interested in. You'll see the buy and sell buttons, usually at the bottom of the screen or accessible through a dedicated trading panel. Tap Buy or Sell to open the order entry panel here. You can choose the quantity of shares you want to trade and select your order type, like a market order to execute immediately or a limit order to set a specific price. Once you place an order, you can see your active trades and open orders in the Orders or Positions tab within the Paper Trading section. This shows you how your simulated trades are performing in real time. You can also set stop loss and take profit levels directly on your charts to manage risk. Just like you would with real money, this is a crucial part of testing your strategy's effectiveness. To close a position, simply tap on the open position in your list and select Close. You'll see your simulated profit or loss reflected, helping you analyze your trading decisions. Experiment with different assets, strategies, and order types to build your confidence and refine your approach, all without the pressure of real capital. Happy paper trading!